Somebody had told me that there is Autocad for Android, so let me try that. Autocad. Yeah, let me say that there's a first option here, and oh yeah, there is an 84 MB Autocad. I can say that. Let me install this right now. Waiting for 35%. I'm gonna put. So let me try to open this. This is not an Android, but the base operating system is Android. I think I'm having an account here, so let me just touch sign in. Password. So once if you logged in, they will call you student. Okay, so you'll be having some drawings here, and okay, that's opening. Oh, we can see a lot of layers are here, and you can pan it by simply swiping. What are these things? Smart pen. You can drag. Okay, I think that is, I don't really know. I think this is a circle. You can trim. Oh wow, that's really great. You can create new layers. Oh well, let me draw. You can take a line. You can use click first point. Okay, draw a line. All right. What next? First point, second point, 250 millimeter. Okay. Again, first point. So I don't think this is quite a simple task to draw this thing. Every time I think you want to go back to line. Okay, first, I'm sorry, this is absolutely crazy. Even though you are having these kind of things right in Autocad, I don't think you can draw this, but right now understand that there is something right. Measure distance from first point to second point. Is it? Yo, so in 1000. Line, first point and second point. Wow, first point and second point. I don't know, this is absolutely crazy. Base, first point and second point. What? Even though there is stuff here, but it take a little time for practicing, and that's all.